Athletes train their bodies, fighters train their instincts, but most doctors, they never train their ability to listen. Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Hahn, author of The Martial Arts of Listening and former U.S. national team athlete. Today, I want to challenge a sacred cow in healthcare with one question. What if doctors trained like athletes in the art of listening? We praise doctors for IQ, board scores, speed, and volume. Yet in years of med school and countless residencies and fellowships, almost no one teaches how to hear the fear behind the words, how to see the truth in body language, how to sense the story a scan can't show. That's the skill gap costing patients real healing. As a world stage fighter turned rehab specialist, I've learned protocols help, but presence heals. So I built a framework called the Martial Arts of Listening. It is built on 5 key pillars. Ears. It helps catch the tone and pace hesitation. The eyes. It notices posture, micro expressions, and movement. Hands. We feel tension, guarding, and instability. Brain. We link emotional patterns with physiology. And our heart. We use empathy to make vulnerability safe. This approach didn't just change how I treat, it transformed how people heal. While working with Cirque du Soleil, I met Lou, a young Chinese acrobat. One day, I noticed something was off. He moved tighter, subtly guarding his back. And I asked him, "Are you in pain?" He smiled and he said, No, fine." But my ears picked up strain in his voice. My eyes saw tension in his posture. My hands felt inflammation along his low back. My brain saw the patterns, overtraining plus fear of being cut. My heart, I sensed the shame. He didn't want to let his team or his coach down. Instead of pushing another drill, I paused. I listened. He eventually admitted, "I'm scared they'll replace me if I speak up." So we worked on his body and his trust, and he felt safe. And when he felt safe, he healed faster than any protocol alone could predict. I see the same pattern every day at my clinical practice, HealthFit in Pasadena. Patients show up with charts an inch thick, multiple diagnoses, and one repeating phrase: "You're the first person who actually listened." Being unseen is its own kind of pain, one I remember well from my own career-ending injuries on the mat. So imagine if we trained doctors and therapists the way we train athletes. Daily reps in listening, real-time feedback, growth built on presence, not just procedures. That is the heart of the martial arts of listening, to close the gap between treatment and true care. If you're a provider, start your reps today. Train your ears, eyes, hands, brain, and heart. If you're a patient, demand more. You deserve to be heard fully. To take action today, download the listening blueprint at drjasonhan.com/listen. Share this video with someone stuck in their healing journey, or grab your copy of The Martial Arts of Listening on Amazon. Because when we train like listeners, we don't just treat symptoms, we honor the whole person. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for our latest tips coming to you every week. Share this video with your family and friends. It might just make their day a little bit better. I'll see you soon.